Hello and welcome back to another game devlog of my game Azaryia. I hope you're all good. In the last week I did a quite good progress, so let's not waste any time and dive right into what I achieved. I finally added an animation to cut down some trees. It is also possible to use this animation to gain some stones. As you can see, this animation kinda looks weird because I have a little problem to get it animated correctly. In the preview it kinda looks good, but if I have it in-game, the character looks kinda weird. Nevertheless, I also added animation for the bow. So I can draw an arrow and have the character stay idle while holding the arrow. And now I can shoot the arrow. I think it kinda makes so much fun now to use this new mechanic to shoot some arrows. And I think with this a little bit more funny way to attack some enemies or shoot targets, I think we can implement some new quests and have so much more fun playing with shooting targets, I think. Also, I plan to reduce the scope again. I think it's a bit of a hard challenge to get all of these weapon types fulfilled and make it awesome to play with all of these. So I'll reduce the scope again, and I think that this is an archery game. I think the only weapon the player should have is the arrow or the bow and arrow, and can achieve its goals or its quests alone with this weapon type. I think it's totally okay to cut it because honestly the most games got swords in it and I think it's kinda normal, but I want to stick out a bit, and so I think it's totally okay to just stick with a bow and arrow and have it kind of archery stuff. What else was done in the meantime? So as you can see, if I walk towards this little NPC, there should pop up a bubble, and there it is. Here's the text bubble with "Finally I did it." Now let's see what this character did. Oh, at first I have to pick up all these coins. So what did the character called Uzi has to say? Finally I got my little camp here. Some of these barrels were super expensive and hard to get here. I hope nobody breaks them. So, I'm so sorry. So as you can see, I did a lot of progress with stuff you can see, but I also did achieve some goals with things you can't see, like restructuring things of code with stuff that you guys mentioned in the comments, like restructuring the whole weapon topic. And this feels amazing to get things done and to get it work nicely. As you can see, now bigger problems are things like holding items in the hand of the player and get the rotation correct, and also animating stuff because I'm I'm a coder, I'm not an animator or stuff like that. So these are the main problems right now, but as long as these little things are the main problems, I think we're on a good path and making good progress to get this whole game done and finish this big project. I'm kind of excited what will be the outcome of this whole project, maybe in 2 months or maybe in 3 years. Let's see where this journey takes us all. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, and if you do not want to miss any updates on my game Azaryia, then please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye!